Okay, the regular price for a box of construction paper is $10. So we're going to circle $10. If you buy 5 or more boxes, the discounted price is $8 per box. Jennifer bought a box for herself and 6 other teachers. The following strip diagram represents the total cost for the boxes of construction paper. Okay, so the price of a box of paper is $8. Why was it 8? Why do they have an 8 right there? What does the word problem tell us? Why is there an 8? Gavin, what does the word problem tell us?
It's $8 for one box.
It's a discounted price if 5 or more people buy them, correct? How many people bought them? How many boxes did she get? Hayden?
5 or more.
What? How many did she end up getting? Annabelle?
6. She bought 7.
7. Herself and 6 teachers. So there's 7 people, right? 7 people, $8 each. Because she got the discounted price. So if you look right here, they set up the strip diagram for us. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes at $8 a piece. C would be our total, okay? So which equation can be used to find C, the total cost for all of the construction paper? Would it be C equals 6 times 8, where C equals the total cost of all the construction paper? Would it be C is equal to 7 times 10? C is equal to 6 times 10? Or C is equal to 7 times 8? Catherine, which one is it? The answer is D. 7 people, $8 a piece. That would give us C, the total cost of the construction paper. All right, let's go look at number. That's not hard. Jack had 2 pencils. He had twice as many pens. What does twice mean? What does twice mean, Amy?
2.
Times 2, right? Twice as many pens as he did pencils. Which strip diagram shows how many writing utensils he had altogether? Okay, so Jack had 2 pencils. What about pens? Pens would be 2 times 2, right? Twice. So it'd be 2 twice. So look at your strip diagrams. Which one would it be to find the total? We've got A. Let's look at A. A is 2 pencils. Pens would be 2 and 2. Is that twice?
Yes. No. Yes.
Does A look like what Miss Anderson wrote?
Yes.
I'm going to put a question mark because I think that could be it. Pencils. Did he have twice as many pencils as he did pens?
No.
Nope. If he had 2 pencils, is this correct?
No.
Well, and they're saying the total is right here. Is that correct? No, the total has to be both of them added together. Did he have the same amount of pens and pencils?
No.
So it looks like
It's
A is the answer. A is correct. All right, let's go look at 3. Now this one has an equation with a strip diagram. At Sun Canyon Elementary, there were 200 third and fourth graders. There were 5 classes that each had 21 students in 4th grade. Which equation and strip diagram shows how many 3rd graders were at Sun Canyon? Now, let's eliminate, first of all. Let's eliminate, John, we're going to eliminate 2 answer choices. What is our total? Do we know a total of how many third and fourth graders there are?
Yes.
We do. What is the total number of third and fourth graders? Abby?
200.
There are 200. Now, if I want to find the number of third graders, I have to either add or take away from 200 to find the amount of third graders. What am I going to do? Am I going to take the 200 and subtract the fourth graders to find the third graders? Or am I going to take the 200, add the fourth graders, and that gives me the third graders?
No.
Am I going to add or subtract from 200?
Subtract.
Burgundy? Subtract. So look at your answer choices, A, B, C, and D. Look at the equations. A says 200 plus, B says 200 minus, C says 200 plus, D says 200 minus. Can I get rid of two answer choices?
Yes.
Briley, what would I get rid of?
It's A and C.
I'm going to get rid of A and C. Now, if you look right here, this plus this has to equal 200. This and this have to equal 200. This and this have to equal 200. This and this have to equal 200. So let's go talk about the fourth graders. There were 5 classes. Each class had 21 students in it. Which one has a strip diagram that shows 5 classes with 21 students each? Look at your strip diagram. Everybody needs to be looking. John, sit up. Amora, sit up. Come on. Pay attention. Liam, what do you think? Which one shows 5 classes, 21 students each? B or D? Are you Liam? Which one, Liam? B or D?
D.
Okay, why? Does this have 5 classes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is there 21 in each class? Yes. So you would take 5 times 21, subtract that from 200, and that would give you how many were in third grade. Why does B not work? Why does B not work? Why does this one not work right here? Zyla, why?
Because there's 5 classes, there's 5 students.
There's only 5 students in each. That's not what the word problem told us. There's 21 students in each one. Okay, awesome. All right, let's check out that last one. Cynthia went to Six Flags with 6 of her friends. Each ticket cost $27. They also spent $10 each on food and games. Which strip diagram and equation shows how much they spent altogether? Okay, if Cynthia went to Six Flags with 6 friends, how many people is that? How many people is that, Hudson? Okay, so we're going to write 7 people. Ticket was how much a piece? 27 each. And then food was $10 each. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. See, I wrote down some important information. Now, I want to know how much they spent all together. Okay, all together. That's a clue word. Am I going to add or subtract? I'm going to do some adding. So do you see some strip diagrams that I could get rid of?
Yes.
What could I get rid of? If I'm looking at the equations, look at the equations. Are there any I can get rid of? Amy? I can get rid of D for sure because that's a subtraction. But B is an addition one, so I don't want to get rid of that one just yet. Is there another one I can get rid of? Zyla? A. Now, S, what is S? What is S over here on each one? What does S represent?
Subtract.
No, Gavin?
The answer.
It's the total of ticket cost and food. Now look at B and C. There's an obvious answer choice. And you're gonna tell me why. Which one's obvious? B or C? Which one, Evan?
B.
Are you sure? Gavin?
You can eliminate B because there's only 6.
How many people are there?
7.
7 people. That's why we wrote that here. So B only does enough for 6 people. C is 7 people. So the answer's C. See how we eliminated that? And we didn't even really have to do a lot of work. We just had to talk through the problem. All right? Okay, good deal.